Hello, my name is Liam, and today I'm with one of our valued customers, Linda.
Hello.
Hello, Linda. And you have a Rotoflex bed. Mm-hmm. You've had this now for just over a year, and you live with Parkinson's.
Yes.
And I wonder if you could help explain the process of how you went about getting a bed from the very beginning. So I guess the first thing was you were made aware of the bed because of the Parkinson's UK charity sent you information on it.
Well, they didn't in fact send me the information. They had the information in their magazine, which
Yes.
I thought was very good. I get that about twice a year.
So you saw that and
Yes.
you then thought this might work for me. So you called Theraposture.
I did indeed, and I spoke to you.
And I remember it very well. We had a really good chat about the
Yes,
bed and how
yes.
it might help you. But did you feel that the people you spoke to, me and my colleagues, actually understood?
Yes, I did. And it's nice to have someone on the other end of the phone that does understand what you want to say and get.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So from that point, if you remember, what we did was to organise an assessment.
Yes.
And we will not provide a bed unless an assessment has been done.
No,
okay?
no.
And there's reasons for that.
I'm sure, yes.
So we organised bringing a bed down with one of our trusted assessors.
Yes.
And
yes.
you actually tried the bed.
I did indeed, and I found instantly that it was very comfortable, very easy to use, and I wanted one.
And it was going to solve the problems you were having.
It certainly did, and it has also, as I've said before, has let me have my independence back.
Which is absolutely what we're trying to help people do.
Yes.
So from that point, you've established clearly through trying the bed, it is a solution, so you were able to buy the bed with confidence.
Yes, yes.
And when we brought the bed down, your bed, the bed you have now, the delivered bed, what was the process like in terms of the handover? Was it giving you enough time?
Yes, it was. And when he had put the bed together, he brought me in and explained everything to me.
Okay.
How it worked, what it did. And I felt that, I even feel the aftercare is very good as well.
Yeah, because I know you've called us a couple of times and we've come out and actually modified your bed because of the experiences you've had, and that was all done very efficiently, I believe.
That's right, and as I hope to move, I rang them up to find out whether they would actually dismantle the bed for me and put it together in my new home, and that was no bother at all. Yes, they would do it.
Okay, so out of 10... How many would you give Theraposture?
Or possibly 12 out of 10.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.